How to change emoji skin color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open an application on your iPhone that uses the keyboard, such as Messages. Open any conversation and tap on the text field to activate the keyboard interface. Now, tap the emoji icon located on the bottom row of your keyboard. This will open up the emoji library. Scroll through the emojis to find one that depicts a person or a body part, like a face or waving hand. Once you've found an emoji, press and hold it. A small menu will then pop up, showing various skin tone options. Slide your finger to the skin tone you wish to use and then release it. The emoji will update to reflect your choice, and the selected skin tone now becomes the default for that emoji until you decide to change it again. Following these steps, you can easily change the emoji skin color on an iPhone.